with fly fishing. Fishing in general. I'm not like one of these crazy purists. None of us down here at No Name Lodge are crazy purists. If you want to come spin fish, that's cool. Like, we just love the whole entire kind of dance of catching fish. I was fortunate enough to have a skiff down in South Florida, so I fished the Everglades almost every single weekend when I was living down there for 4 years, and picked up a job with Bonefish and Tarpon Trust, where I met my current business partner, Matt. And COVID hit. We really wanted to start a fly fishing lodge. Puerto Rico has been known for some tarpon, but it's what you call the San Juan ditch lagoons of tarpon fishing. So, I mean, you saw it when you flew in on the 747. I mean, you come across and it's like, you see all those lakes and ponds as you roll in. Those are full of giant tarpon.